unicorns, welcome back to my channel Tales of Unicorn. To all the new people here, hi, I'm Harita, I'm travel content creator and right now you're watching my Singapore travel series. So if you have been watching my Singapore vlogs for a long time now, we have come a very long way and I'm proud of it because I've given you so much information from that particular country. So if you'd like to watch more of my vlogs or if you like supporting me, please do hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to interact with me, contact me on my Instagram or you can just drop a comment. My Instagram account is also Tales of Unicorn. So this is, I think, the 12th video and after this only the airport video will be pending. So yeah, it's about Marina Bay Sands, the famous boat building. To visit Marina Bay Sands, pre-booking your ticket is mandatory, so you can get it either through the Klook app where you'll get a good deal or you can directly book it through the ticket counter itself. But there is a catch there. Not only the price, they have fixed time slots and they will allow only a limited number of people during each slot. So before you reach the ticket counter, if your time slot is sold out, you cannot do anything. You have to come back for another day. So yeah, please pre-book your tickets. Only your entry time will be fixed. You can spend as much time as you want up there. So I would suggest you to go somewhere between 6:37 or 6 p.m. to 7 so that you can get to witness both the day view and the night view just like I did. So let's get into the video. This is Marina Bay Sands and there is a mall and hotel in it and we are going to go to the top of it, which is called Sky Park Observatory Deck. If you book a specific type of ticket, you will be clicked in front of a green screen and through a QR code you can download your pictures as if in front of the Marina Bay Sands. We are going to the 57th floor. Be careful with your gadgets, guys, as you might just get immersed in the beautiful skyline. So that's the Floating Apple store, Louis Vuitton store and Small Merlion for light show at night. And this is the Art and Science Museum. And look at how small the Merlion looks from the top. Singapore has so many skyscrapers and most of them are just dedicated to banks and its headquarters. On one end of the boat, you will find the infinity pool, but you'll get access to it only if you stay in their hotel. When you go to the other side, you can view the Singapore Flyer and Harbour of Singapore. This is the Cloud Forest Super Tree Grove and I made a detailed video exploring Gardens by the Bay. The link is given in the description. Do check it out. At 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. there is a show called Spectra, a laser light and water show happening outside the Marina Bay Sands Mall at the Event Plaza where the duplicate Merlion is present. I highly recommend you to watch this show, which is by the way free of cost. So catch the glimpses now. we've reached the end of this video and I hope you really enjoyed it. If you liked it, if you'd like to support me, if you'd like to continue watching more of my videos, then please do hit the subscribe button. It will definitely motivate me. If you have any doubts or if you'd like to interact with me, drop a comment or ping me on my Instagram account, which is also Tales of Unicorn. And yeah, we have reached the end of Singapore series. So if you have missed any of my Singapore vlogs, go and check out the playlist in my channel, which will be named as Singapore. And yeah, only 2 more videos are yet to come. So if you have supported me so far in this Singapore series, a big thanks to you. So I'll meet you real soon in my next Singapore vlog. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.